connected to your goals, again, is a vital part. And ever since I was little, regardless of all the difficulties I went through, for some reason I could see this house, which is the house I live in right now, and I could see the wild tree at the back of the garden, which is odd, but it's there now. So I had such a strong vision of where I was going to be in life that it was a natural propel forward. I then put all my energy into seeing it every single day. And you naturally feel propelled towards working or towards achieving it. So put every single detail into that. Know how will you feel when you've achieved it? How will your life change? What will you be able to do differently? What will it allow you to feel and do? And it's in your control. When you set goals, whether you achieve them or not, it's in your control.